Ooh, This is like a puppy. That this is like a puppy. Okay. Cute puppy. Today I'm going to keep this alone to play games today. Bro, I want to play. I want to game to that. I like him because the bird is you. I want to play Roblox. To play Roblox day. Okay. Oh. Broken glass. I'm not willing to the Roblox, bro. Bro, do check him. The cat, the cat is here. What cat doing to here? The late night in the window. In the window, there's a bright looking. Listen to me. Okay. Bro, it's night time. The future is night. Night is night coming. It's night coming. I want to keep you because you're so cute. Bye, guys.